paper towels and Windex. What kind of fun could that mean? It means we're still in quarantine, and so my plan was to do a bunch of little projects just to keep myself busy because it's gonna be on lockdown for another month. But I had to buy a new computer this morning because my other one took a crap, so no more big projects. Now we're stuck with doing fog light covers. But really this video is gonna be less about fog light covers and just more of some taking photos of the truck, seeing what it looks like with the covers on. There's a cool kind of underground portion of this garage that's technically not open, but gonna go drive around, see if we can get some cool spots, do some drone stuff, and you know, just make a video out of this. I don't know how I like them. There we go. Yeah, it doesn't look yellow. You can really see it on the side of our Jeep, but I don't know, I'm kind of indifferent. It's like, they look cool without the head, or the fog lights on, but I don't know. Yeah, they look really cool without the fog lights on. Alright, we are gonna give this another shot today. See if we don't get kicked out somewhere. Because I want some low light shots with these new fog lights, which is kind of difficult when you have to stay in because of this quarantine. Which obviously I'm talking a lot about the quarantine, but it's kind of a big deal right now. So let's see how this goes. So we actually kind of lucked out here. Found a pretty cool spot. Pretty empty. Not too bad. And it's actually within my building too. The funny thing is, over there, all that, the grocery store parking lot, which you wouldn't know. This place is pretty cool. So we're gonna see if we can get something cool out of it. Work some magic with editing, do some creativity with angles. Who knows? We'll see.
A few moments later.
Well, I just crashed my drone. Really stupid reason too, something that happened I didn't think it'd happen. I got an Instagram alert. I tried to swipe it up on my phone to get it away. Opened Instagram while I was in the controller app, and I flew the drone right into one of those poles over there. Pretty sweet. But the good news is, the drone's absolutely fine. I don't know if you can see this. Let's take a look. Just a little scuffs on the top. The blades were even broken. Pretty nuts. But yeah, that sucks. That sucks. Well, that could have gone a whole lot better. Could have done without crashing a drone. Well, at least we'll see how the footage turned out. Hopefully it looks pretty good.